Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get line numbers to appear on Notepad. So when you're using a Notepad file, you actually have line numbers appear every new line. So this should hopefully be a very straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Notepad itself. So go ahead and open it up. If you have an existing file, that's fine too. Okay, now that Notepad's open here, all you have to do is just look at the bottom corner of Notepad and you can actually see the line numbers. So let's just say I start typing random letters here, or just random lines. You can see as I add new text to this text file here, you see that the line number changes down here at the bottom. If you don't see this bar, you might have to enable the status bar, which can be done by clicking on the View tab and then check marking next to status bar, in which case then you should have lines starting to be registered down here so you can keep track of what line number you're on. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Notepad isn't the most advanced text editor, or I shouldn't maybe say that, just it's not as feature rich as other text editors, as Notepad++ as an example. But so pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.